Good afternoon. GLD, weekly chart, gold, gold, gold. 2011 was great when we shorted it up here, but we went long, and gold was a great thing at that time. When we hit this long here to the top of 2012 and got that short on the GLD, and why would the GLD refuse to go lower than 150? On this weekly, major weekly price consolidation. How does the worldwide banking system and Ben Bernanke here in the U.S. and the FOMC meeting, and if they fail over there with the ECB, they're all working madly to get together. But when does this gold play put it together? It all started in the weekly level. Now, we shorted up here, and we broke a near-term downtrend. The downtrend is right here on the weekly level where that line goes in this weekly breakout above the 10-week and the 20-week with the 50-week rolling over means that people are buying here, and it's the calendar 2011 low where we traded this thing up to the top, and that was the time to get out and get short the GLD, and it was, but it's not breaking. I'm giving my July 30th 2012 weekly update to all of our clients in the Market Maker School and all of our clients on the coaching programs and mentoring programs, and how to trade the GLD. How to take the GLD long. Right now, it refuses. It's got good support down here, and these bottoms are trades on the GLD intraday. So that's our update, and we've broken our short-term downtrend because the weekly bar is on the outside of that trend line. And once again, it's an important part of the market still, because if that fear level gets in there higher and these European people break down, but they're going on vacation for a month. So we probably won't hear a lot out of them. A lot of this volatility and promises have been playing out. But the GLD could break higher, and we'll have to go through a wall of resistances. Remember, the GLD also is in a weekly sell signal still, and has been for a number of weeks. But even though we found that bottom of great support on the GLD, and not only that, we'll update it maybe once a week as we do our intraday trades, and we do the longer positions, and we do the short positions. And it's not, you know, you can trade it intraday or you can have the time frame. So look at, that's the bullish setup. Here's the weekly chart. I'm above the 10. You can see right here in this weekly bar in the GLD to current right here, it's above the 10-week, it's pointing up. That 20-week was sloping down, it's starting to flatten out. That means that you can buy the dips. As long as they hold the weekly support level, you can buy the dips when it pulls back, and it will. Here's half of that weekly bar, you know, right in here. So if we pull down in these areas, we look to see where they hold support right here on this weekly wick. That's where we hit the bottom. And we're closing out the month, but we didn't take out that high here at 158. Now, that's the previous weekly high. And it goes over here where, you know, once you got up here, you came back and you tested these weekly lows in price. That's how you got from here to there. But this high's got to be taken out here. GLD update, yearly, mid-year, yearly update, summer of 2012, 7/30 July.